Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Jaykumar. So today in this video I'm going to show you guys my trading setup here. So basically I've been a trader for like 7 years. So it took me a lot of time to build this setup actually. So I'm going to share with you guys how it actually works. Alright guys, so this is my actual setup. First of all, I will show you my laptop. This is the first generation MacBook Pro with M1 Pro chipset. Okay, so after Apple moved from Intel to their own silicon, this is the first thing they released in MacBook Pro series. Actually, I think they have already launched MacBook Air, and then they have launched this Pro. This have active cooling. This is plenty fast for trading. Actually, I can even edit my videos from this thing. It's very powerful, and I connected this laptop with a single cable to this docking station here. It is not a Thunderbolt dock. Usually Thunderbolt dock will cost a lot of money. This is something called as a USB-C dock with display link actually. So it is connected to all this monitor via display link actually. Not physical link, just a software based emulation kind of thing is what running, but I don't notice a lot of latency actually. But the thing is, you will lose some quality actually. These two monitors runs with the compression on software mode, and this one runs on native HDMI thing. Okay, because this can run one native monitor and two display link monitors, so you can see actually the difference between the compressed image and the actual real image. So this is the thing, but it didn't bother me as much as you would think actually. If you start using, you won't notice either. A little bit compression artifact you will see at sometimes only, but most of the time it's actually pretty good, and it can run my display. This is my main display. It's a 27-inch monitor, so this thing runs at 144 Hz, and it will run at full speed, so no issues there. But I'm planning to move to a Thunderbolt system in near future very soon, but this is my actual setup right now. The thing is, I just love one cable system, because if I want to go outside, I can take my laptop, I can just remove one cable and take my laptop to work, and if we want to dock, I can just connect one cable and everything is working. And I have a TV up there, so TV I mostly use for news and alerts, maybe some Telegram groups also I can run. Right now it's actually running directly on their own operating system. It's based on Android TV actually, but you can connect this via a HDMI port here. This laptop have an HDMI port, so you can connect it, so you can actually use 4 monitors separately with this one laptop. So this is my primary setup, and I will show you guys how I use these 3 monitors. As I said, the top one is used for only alerts and news. Okay, so that is what I use that for. And for this, I'm going to show you guys what are all the things I have here. Okay, so the first thing is this is my primary chart setup. Actually, I'm only going to monitor only 2 assets here. Actually, if I want to study more assets, that will be a different setup. For most of the time, I will use this setup. So basically, I'm going to watch for BTC USDT perpetual and ETH USDT perpetual. So these 2 assets I'm going to actively trade for now. So that's why I'm keeping this actually. So in the main display, actually I have 1 minute time frame and 15 minutes time frame here. This is for BTC, this 2 is for BTC, and this 2 is for Ethereum. So this is 1 minute and this is 15 minutes, and likely this is 1 minute and this is 15 minutes. This thing I use for making entry and exits. Okay, this is the main thing, and this is the second monitor I use actually. In this monitor, I am going to use it for a 4-hour time frame and 1 day time frame. So I can mark key areas actually, like support and resistance, previous day lows and highs, like that. We can do that, and we can also monitor how the asset perform on a weekly basis. Actually, from these things, I kept it plain because I don't follow a single set of indicators. Actually, I use a mix of indicators depending on the situation I use. That's why I keep it like open, and I will pop the indicators whenever I need that. Similarly, we have 2 assets here, BTC here and ETH here, and this thing I use for other browsing related activities, because if I want to do some quick research, I can use this. If I want, I can either full screen this or full screen this whenever I want. This is the thing. If I want to get some information on ChatGPT or something website, I will use this. And for the last monitor, I'm doing all my executions from here. So this is the monitor from which I'm going to take some positions actually. So basically I opened open interest here, and order book will be here, and my positions will be open here on the bottom, and my position taking buttons are located here. Actually access from here only. I don't have any buttons on my charts. I just want to keep it clean, and I will do everything from here. So this is how this thing work. This is actually not fixed. I'm not going to follow this for everything. Based on situation, I will actually do few other things as well. So I can close some windows and I can open some other windows. I can do some other things. It's actually dynamically I will use based on my demands. Okay, and this is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, I believe the latest one. This is 14-inch tablet. Actually I use this to take some notes actually, so you can take notes here. Basically if I want to do some quick math, I can use this tablets to do that. And this is my Samsung watch actually. This is it, and my primary phone is my Galaxy Fold 7, and there is a wireless charger here so that I can charge it wirelessly. Yes, and this is my Bluetooth speaker. It's a cheap one actually. I got it from Amazon. So it's some cheap Chinese brand speaker. Actually the bass is pretty good compared to my Macbook Pro. Since it is closed, the sound quality won't be sufficiently good, so I'm using this speaker. If I want, I can also connect my Samsung Galaxy Buds actually. So I also have that's in my backpack actually. So that is it. And so one more gadget I have is the Meta Quest 3. It's a VR headset. I can use it for multiple purposes. I can game on it, I can consume content, watch movies, and do some stuff from here. So this is for entertainment as well. So that's it guys. So this is my actual dream setup. It took me a lot of time to set up this setup, but actually I like this. Maybe in future I will change this to a massive 52-inch or 57-inch ultra wide 6K or 5K monitors, but right now this is sufficient for me. If I upgrade in future, I will let you know guys. So that's it guys. I hope you like this video, and do let me know what kind of setup you have and how you will use your setup in the comment section, and I'll meet you guys in the next video. So until this, bye from Jake Kumar. Bye.